Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Today we have this car here. We are using our scanner here today to program or to add a key. Okay. Why? This volume is so. Why it's not working? Maybe here. Okay. So now I'm gonna go to Imo, accept. Okay, and then I go by VIN number, auto detect, say okay. I don't know why I'm not able to communicate with the VCI. Take the Bluetooth out. It doesn't want to connect by. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect the Bluetooth. It's connecting now. Okay, I just put it together. Connecting. Supposed to connect. Now I hear it's green. I don't know why it does that. Okay, Imo. Intervene. No. Let me do it again. Yes. Forward. Say yes. I want to read this key quick. Forward. Escape. What year this car is?
2012.
2012 here. Blade key. Others. 8 to 12. Say yes. HUD function. Add a key. Start. Okay. Okay. Huh? Hold it. Yeah, Raymond. Yeah, hi. 1 second, just.
Quick question.
Yes.
Do you guys fix ACs?
What year model is the car?
I cannot hear you.
What year model is the car?
So what year model? 2011 Infiniti M37X.
Yeah, you're gonna bring the car. We're gonna check what it needs. Just only AC. It depends what wrong. Compressor, gas. But we can fix it, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
So it's done. I'm gonna do this one here. Car start. I'm supposed to turn it off. Okay, let me turn the ignition on. That's what has to come on. Wait a little bit to come on. Skip this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.